Woodpeckers are known for their distinctive drumming behavior on trees. Drumming serves as a crucial method of communication for woodpeckers. Woodpeckers also use drumming to locate food sources within the tree. The drumming action creates sound waves that transmit messages across distances. This rhythmic behavior is essential for woodpeckers' survival and social interactions. Woodpeckers possess a unique adaptation, an exceptionally long tongue. This elongated tongue allows them to reach insects hidden deep within tree trunks. The tongue's surface is covered in a sticky substance. This stickiness enables the woodpecker to effectively capture insects upon contact. This adaptation allows woodpeckers to exploit a food source inaccessible to many other birds.